I just realized life has also segments na malungkot. Some people would just want to sing a song na dumadaan din dun sa, a part of the song they would want to. So, as long as hopeful pa rin yung song at the very end.
You always redeem the character.
That's it. That's the word. May redemption. Ang ganda. Ang dami kong natututunan sa inyo. And kayo ba ay mayroong pinagkakabal? Pero mamaya ka na, Jude. Mamaya ka tatanungin. Mamaya ka na. Ano ngayon are you presently a professor, a teacher?
Presently I'm a part-time literature teacher in Cebu Normal University.
Okay. What else do you do?
I'm almost finishing my master's degree. Thesis.
Alam mo, believe ako sa mga tapos mag-aaral ulit. Why would you subject yourself to more studies? I cannot understand that. No, but we do the study, but you take the formal route, which is good, and I commend you. Malapit na matapos, ano? Are you taking another one?
No. I love to teach.
Traveling.
Anong travel? Anong sabihin ng travel?
I think I'm going to study there for a while.
Saan?
Australia.
Australia? Masarap yung tusiin ng kangaroo. Oo. Si Socrates. Punta mo si Socrates niya na. Ngayon, mag-break lang muna tayo.